So you've just got your new dolly unboxed. How do you get it set up so you can go cruising around? Well, first you're going to want to pull down on the handlebar collars to release the locking mechanism and pull up until you hear a click. Do this on both sides and make sure they're secure. Then you're going to want to release this quick release down by the neck right underneath your handlebars and click this button to adjust it to your preferred height. This is about where it's comfortable for me, so I will now lock it into place by closing the quick release. You want the quick release very tight so it doesn't slide down on you. Make sure you test this before you go riding. So if your down tube stem is loose like this, you can tighten it by opening the down tube lever and tightening this adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to tighten it and make sure you get it as tight as you can while still being able to close the lever so it won't move anymore. To turn on your new Dolly scooter, simply press and hold the on button for 2 seconds until your LCD screen lights up. To activate your headlight and your tail light, flash press the on button and they should come on. Quick presses to turn them off and on. You will also have a little symbol on the LCD screen that will let you know that your headlights are on. In order to turn your scooter off, you will press and hold the on button for 2 seconds once again until it displays off. So once your scooter is turned on, you have 3 speed modes. You can toggle through these by using this arrow button and pressing it once to get through all of them. Eco mode is useful for practicing since its top speed is only 5 miles per hour. It is also useful for travel where pedestrians are present. The mid mode takes you up to 12 miles per hour and the high mode gets up to 17.5 miles per hour. You also have the mode button underneath the power button, which will take you through an odometer, a trip tracker, and the voltage meter for your battery. The odometer will track the miles traveled over the entire lifetime of your scooter. It does not reset when you turn the scooter off. The trip tracker tracks the miles traveled in one trip. It will reset when your scooter is turned off. And the voltage is another way of telling how much battery life you have left, although there is a battery tracker present at all times on the side of the LCD screen. There is also a walking mode that is achieved by pressing and holding the mode button, which provides motorized assistance for when you are walking your scooter. In order to activate the throttle on your new scooter, you will use the thumb accelerator shown here. The motor will not engage unless there is motion sensed in the rear wheel, so you will need to kickstart it. You can press down and nothing will happen. Make sure before you start it that your kickstand is up so it doesn't drag on the ground. In order to stop your scooter, you will apply the hand brakes. The right hand brake is for the front tire. The left hand brake is for the rear tire. The motor will automatically cut out when either hand brake is applied, as well as activating the brake light on the tail end of your scooter. Be careful not to over apply your front brake, as the wheel can lock up and may cause you to lose control of the scooter. On the left hand side here, we also have a cruise control feature. Once you have reached your preferred speed, you can tap the cruise control button and it will maintain that speed for you. To deactivate it, you can simply tap either of the hand brakes. Underneath the cruise control, there is also a horn button. Once you are finished riding your scooter, to collapse it for storage, first unlock your quick release lever and reset your handlebars to their original height. Make sure to lock it back up again. Then pull on the collars on each side of the handlebars and push them down until you hear them click into place. Then, to collapse your scooter fully, rest your foot on the foot pedal down at the base of the neck and apply forward pressure to the T-bar and lay it down until it clicks properly. Then you can stand it up on its dolly wheels and take out the handle by pressing in the button at the top. Once that's done, you're ready to go. We also offer a dolly cover, which serves to protect your clothes from road grime when your dolly is not in use and being towed around in public. It's sold separately, but let's go ahead and show you how to put it on just in case you want to get one. Another great feature of the dolly cover is it provides a place to store your helmet. At this point, you are able to now reach inside and grab it by the down tube and hold it like this, or if you wish, you can extend the dolly handle and use that as well.